Let's address the problem directly. Your Escort radar detector's GPS isn't displaying your speed. This issue typically arises from a few key reasons. It could be due to weak GPS signal caused by buildings or interference, a hardware problem like a faulty antenna, outdated firmware, or even incorrect user settings. Understanding these root causes is the first step towards a solution. Newer detectors use dual GPS antennas for better signal stability. If your unit is older, this may explain the problem. Start with the simplest solutions. First, ensure your detector has a clear view of the sky. Buildings and dense foliage can block GPS signals. Next, power cycle the device, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Then, check your settings within the Escort app or the device itself to confirm that GPS is enabled. A factory reset can also resolve software glitches. Consult your user manual for instructions. Outdated firmware is a common culprit behind GPS speed display issues in Escort radar detectors. Escort frequently releases updates to improve GPS performance and fix bugs. To update, connect your detector to your computer via USB cable. Use the Escort Detector Tools software to check for and install available updates. Alternatively, use the Escort Live app on your smartphone to check for and install updates wirelessly. Ensure your smartphone's GPS is enabled and that the Escort Live app has location permissions granted. Check if the Escort Live app is conflicting with Apple CarPlay, which may interfere with GPS connectivity. If the issue persists after basic checks and firmware updates, move to troubleshooting step 3, GPS calibration and antenna issues. First, try calibrating the GPS. Drive in an open area where the sky is clearly visible. Allow the detector to acquire a GPS lock over a few minutes. This process helps the device learn your location and enhance signal accuracy. Next, inspect the antenna physically. Look for any damage, loose connections, or poor placement within the car that could degrade the signal. Newer Escort models feature AI-assisted diagnostics that can automatically detect antenna problems. Additionally, verify that the antenna is placed correctly in the car to prevent signal degradation. Escort radar detectors rely on GPS technology to track your speed and location. This system receives signals from satellites orbiting Earth, allowing the detector to calculate your exact speed and position. GPS works by receiving signals from multiple satellites. For accurate speed calculation, the detector needs signals from at least 4 to 6 satellites. These signals provide timing and positioning data that the detector uses to determine your vehicle's speed. However, various factors can interfere with these GPS signals. Buildings and structures can block satellite reception, tunnels create complete signal loss, and electromagnetic noise from nearby devices can disrupt the data transmission. Escort detectors use the NMEA 01A3 protocol to transmit GPS data. This is a standard communication format for GPS information. However, protocol mismatches in newer models can sometimes cause the detector to not properly interpret or display the speed data. Understanding how GPS works and what can interfere with it helps you identify the possible reasons why your Escort radar detector's GPS speed display may not be working correctly. If you've tried all the basic troubleshooting steps and the GPS speed is still not displaying, it could indicate a more serious hardware issue. Contact Escort's customer support for assistance. They may provide specific troubleshooting steps or recommend a repair. Don't attempt to disassemble the detector yourself, as this could void your warranty. Looking ahead, the future of radar detectors brings tighter app integration and cloud-based solutions to enhance GPS reliability. Expect more models to rely on smartphone connectivity for remote diagnostics, allowing users to troubleshoot GPS problems directly from their phones. AI and machine learning technologies are being implemented to predict and automatically correct GPS anomalies, such as signal disruptions caused by weather or interference. As more vehicles integrate built-in GPS systems, the GPS speed display in radar detectors may become less critical, focusing instead on complementary features. Real-world examples show how users overcome GPS speed display issues in Escort radar detectors. Online communities provide valuable troubleshooting insights. Class action settlements have addressed hardware problems, leading to free repairs and improved product quality. Urban environments like Sydney require antenna adjustments to maintain GPS lock and accurate speed readings. GPS calibration techniques help ensure reliable performance across different driving conditions. These experiences emphasize the importance of community support and adaptive problem solving for optimal radar detector functionality.